Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Casablanca Spirit of Saturn ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is not mine, this is a client's fan. I got the ceiling fan because I'm repairing it for that client. This fan needs some cleaning up. So for one, it got damaged in shipping a little from the previous owner of this fan, and I gotta realign everything. Switch housing's also a little bent. Gotta clean all this up, like this tarnishing, try to stop all of it. And I don't have any light bulbs in the center because I do not have halogen bulbs. This fan is from December 8th, 1987, and it was the 180th fan made that day. And it's a gallery Saturn. It doesn't have the lines on the end of the blades, but anyways, we will start with low. I'm operating this fan off of a W11 wall control made by Casablanca. These fans came in a few different finishes. These came in polished brass and copper, which this one's in, white and brass. They also came in black and white, which was the rarest finish out of all of them. There was a white and chrome variant. There was a black and brass, and then there was a black and chrome. The Saturn was made between the years of 1986 and it ended in 1993. The 86 Saturns are really rare. There's not many that surface because in the catalog they say that they're produced in 87, but I have a Casablanca Spirit of Saturn that is my own, and it was manufactured in December of 1986. This is a 53-inch fan, and I think it still has its original components in it from 1987. Anyways, we will go to speed 2. The Spirit of Saturn is pretty much a Panama with a different sideband and a light kit. Go to speed 3 now. It wobbles a little bit, but I'm gonna fix that. Pretty sure it's because the down run, the ball was loose, because when I threw it up there, the ball was a bit loose. I just have to tighten the set screw with an Allen wrench. Go to speed 4 now. It's pretty wobbly. A lot wobblier than I expected it to be. Yeah, it's the down rod, the ball, it's loose. You can see it from here. speed 5. And we will now go to speed 6. anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.